Hey guys, this is Riley with Biznaz 101. In today's video, we will show you how to resize Shopify product images. First, open the link to our full guide below in the description of this video. Next, to get started, let's head back to our store. Then we will select Online Store from the dashboard on the left. Then choose the Themes tab just below. Now we will find our current theme and then click the three-dot icon on the right and select Edit Code. You will now be brought to your store's theme files. Next, click the search bar in the upper left and input main-product, then hit Enter. Now select this theme file from the list of options below. Then return to the guide and copy and paste this line of code. Next, return to your Shopify store and click the files code. We will now find the matching code in our theme file. To do this, hit Ctrl F and paste the code into the search field, then hit Next. This is where we will adjust the size of our product images. To do this, adjust the percentage like so. When you are finished, click Save at the top. Now preview the changes in your Shopify store. As you can see, we have successfully resized our product image. It looks good, but let's adjust it some more. We will now change the line of code to 35% and click Save. Now let's take a look at our store again. We have now perfectly resized our product image. That's all for today's video, guys. Don't forget you can find the full guide below in the description or contact us at Biznaz101 for help with your store. Thank you for subscribing.